Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Real Estate Jargons, and today's topic is about hotel investment opportunities which are gaining popularity because of the guaranteed return clauses. In a thriving hospitality and tourism industry like Dubai, the hotel business is projected to grow multifolds as Dubai has surpassed the threshold of 5 million visitors in the first 4 months of 2022. Leveraging on these statistics and clubbing it with the recent regulations which allow fractional ownership of a property in Dubai, globally renowned brands are now offering investment opportunities to their investors to own 1/4 share in a property, which is 25%, and reap guaranteed net returns of 7% annually. As good as it may sound, the initial hiccups for these kind of offers in the past was the fact that these were not totally regulated. However, with the changes in the policies in hotel apartment units and backing up of renowned brands have made it possible to own a fraction of property which is guaranteed net returns without having to pay any service charges or other headaches of tenant management and property maintenance. Owners with this fractional ownership get to have a separate title deed of their own, and because there is no lock-in period in these investments, any fraction owned can be sell off by the property owner at any given point of time without having to obtain NOC from other owners. The guaranteed returns contract is completely documented and regulated in the court of law, which implies the legal aspects and compliance in these investments are all taken care of. Furthermore, it is important for the investors to go through all the terms and conditions since different developers offer varied terms when it comes to guaranteed returns. Since the concept is relatively new and the developers have huge potential in this prospect to encourage investors to these kinds of deals, a variety of perks are being offered recently that add further value to the propositions. Owners of this property get to stay in these hotels free of charge for up to 28 days, and diamond memberships are also provided from Privilege Club to enjoy further benefits globally. Adding the icing on the cake is the payout frequency, which can vary at monthly, quarterly, or even on annual basis, making it completely flexible on investors' requirement. In a city like Dubai, with investment offers of guaranteed 7% net, which is way above any other yield cap of a matured real estate industry globally, the Golden Residency Visa Scheme augments even greater propositions, making it not to be missed opportunity for risk-free investors. To know more about these new investment opportunities through fractional ownerships and guaranteed returns, feel free to get in touch with our advisors at Homes for Life. Thank you.